Guys, manihapon ta guys. Unsa gani ni dad? Fried mackerel, sausawan, og adobong gulay. It's okay dad because I won't speak English because better Bisaya because you can express yourself.
Only a little part like that.
Little part. How did? No, it's not. No. Here.
Well, thank you. Hi, folks.
Kay labot ka kay labot. Then kinamot with.
Hi, folks. I've been counting my banknotes.
There are so many mukbangs that many views. I don't know this one. Haha. Tuan na.
The rice should be cooked more soft and not hard.
By the way, we're eating basmati rice.
What?
Our rice is basmati.
Yeah, your rice is not healthy because it's all powdery.
My rice is not healthy.
No, that is.
Lami kayo ang material basta pinakaging. Nak, you want to eat fish?
No.
Lami man. No. Kinamot po ka, you don't know how to kinamot.
What does that mean?
Using your hands. Bare hands.
I don't know how to.
Ipag binata, please.
I
Tarong istorya.
I don't know how. I don't know what to do.
Ah, right.
For your rice.
Listen.
This one. No, didn't. I'm taking a video. What is that?
Basmati and jasmine.
Okay.
Basmati has a slower effect on you than jasmine. Meaning it raises blood sugar more slowly and creates a better effect on fullness.
How long you been in the car, Dennis?
1 hour.
What one is you, man? That
I
one.
mean 3 hours.
More.
4 hours.
That's for cleaning your teeth.
100 hours.
Is that?
Clean your teeth.
100 hours.
Okay, 100 hours.
I'll play a tune. Bing, ping, oh, I broke it. Bing, ping, 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 ping.
Violin.
Bum, 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 bum.
Dennis, what can you say, Dennis?
I don't know. I don't know.
That's a good
I
one to
don't
say. I
know.
don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Boy, I'm sweating. Because I'm eating.
Because you know you're going to have to pay for this. And you're worried about the bill. That'll prevent you.
I thought pay for the car.
Mom, I want to pour all the sweet corn in here. I want to pour all the sweet corn.
No, because you might not eat it all. Ayaw.
Okay na.
Pero ay bunal.
Oh, it's so bad. Okay.
The fish is very fresh.
Let me try a bit.
Popcorn aroma, Jasmine. Ah.
Okay, with this or no?
This fish. Thank you.
You will like it because it's crunchy.
That's wrong. It says both types of rice can be swapped in any recipe that calls for a lot. No.
Three minutes na lang.
You could.
Mommy, your hands.
You want more fish?
No, have another bit.
Dennis?
If I had anything.
Dennis, I'm asking. Agay!
Yeah.
Hey,
Yes.
natunok sila, natunok.
Mm-hmm.
Lugsot, bumata oh.
What's the registration?
Why are you eating the fish? The fish is so ugly.
The fish is ugly.
The fish.
The fish? The eyes is blind.
No. The eyes is open, but
Lami
actually
kayong adobo nga gulay, paritan og pinuritan isda.
the eyes are made out of sweet corn.
That's no yours.
Why
That's no yours.
does
What's
it
the
look so pink?
Huh?
FN64 WVT.
SM.
FN64 WVT. Five years more, no? Younger
Nom, nom.
than my old.
Tell my old daughter.
My old daughter.
Yeah, that was rain.
Hi, fish. Hi.
I thought it was a real fish. It will bite your lips. It would have bite your lips.
Kiss off. Kiss ikaw.
No!
Why?
Because it would bite your lips if it was real.
You taste the
Why?
adobo? No.
Hi.
Mom, it will pinch your eye.
Thank you for watching, guys.
It will pinch your